Top 5 best nuts for diabetics patients. You must eat lower blood sugar. Managing diabetes is all about keeping your blood sugar stable. And one simple, highly effective way to do that is by incorporating the right nuts into your daily diet. These 5 nuts aren't just flavorful, they're loaded with nutrients that help lower blood sugar, protect heart health, and support overall well-being. If you're ready to discover how a few small changes in your meals can make a world of difference, stick around. Our final nut might even surprise you with its powerful impact on diabetes management. Number 5, almonds. Almonds aren't just a convenient snack. They can play a big role in regulating blood sugar levels. Scientific studies show that almonds slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping you avoid those sudden spikes and drops that make diabetes tougher to control. Their beneficial blend of fiber and healthy fats keeps glucose fluctuations to a minimum and supports better overall metabolic health. But that's not all. Almonds also help safeguard your heart. They're high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which reduce bad LDL cholesterol and may increase good HDL cholesterol. Meanwhile, antioxidants like vitamin E protect blood vessel cells from harmful free radicals. In fact, a diet rich in almonds has been associated with a lower risk of heart disease, an important advantage for people with diabetes who tend to face more cardiovascular issues. Almonds also supply magnesium, a mineral your body needs to use insulin efficiently. Getting enough magnesium can help prevent insulin resistance and may even improve blood sugar control in people with diabetes. Try snacking on almonds, blending them into smoothies, or sprinkling them over salads. You'll not only manage your blood sugar more effectively, but also give your heart a boost. Number 4, walnuts. When it comes to nutritional density, walnuts are in a league of their own. They're particularly high in omega-3 fatty acids, powerful nutrients that fight inflammation and lower the risk of heart problems. Since inflammation is a common culprit behind worsening insulin resistance and cardiovascular issues, walnuts offer a double benefit for individuals managing diabetes. According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, walnuts can significantly reduce bad LDL cholesterol and improve overall cholesterol profiles. Better cholesterol management translates to healthier arteries and a decreased risk of heart disease, a critical advantage if you have diabetes. Walnuts also supply plenty of fiber, slowing the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream and helping prevent post-meal blood sugar spikes. Over time, steadier blood sugar supports better insulin function and may even lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Additionally, walnuts contain antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which shield your cells from oxidative stress, a key factor in both diabetes and heart disease. Toss walnuts into salads, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them straight out of the bag to harness these far-reaching benefits. Number 3, cashews. Cashews are a favorite for their rich, creamy taste, but they're also a major ally for people with diabetes. Brimming with monounsaturated fats, cashews can help lower bad LDL cholesterol and raise good HDL cholesterol, guarding you against heart disease, a major concern for those with chronic high blood sugar levels. On top of that, cashews appear to enhance insulin sensitivity, which helps you maintain more balanced glucose levels. A study cited in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition discovered that individuals who regularly ate cashews had better insulin response. Excellent news for anyone looking to keep diabetes under control. Better insulin sensitivity means glucose is absorbed more efficiently, leaving you less prone to dramatic blood sugar swings. What else sets cashews apart? They're rich in magnesium, a mineral crucial for proper blood sugar regulation. Magnesium plays a big role in how your cells use insulin, making it an important nutrient if you're dealing with diabetes or hoping to avoid it. Cashews also have antioxidant properties that safeguard cells from free radical damage. further helping combat inflammation and oxidative stress. You can eat cashews on their own, blend them into sauces, or sprinkle them over salads to enjoy both their flavor and health perks. Number 2, pistachios. Don't let their small size fool you. Pistachios are packed with nutrients that make them a wonderful choice for individuals looking to control diabetes. Research indicates that pistachios can improve cholesterol levels, lower triglycerides, and protect against cardiovascular disease, a condition that becomes more likely when you have diabetes. Pistachios' fats are mostly monounsaturated, which help reduce bad LDL cholesterol while raising the good HDL form. This shift can ward off atherosclerosis, a hardening of the arteries that's especially harmful for those managing diabetes. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition revealed that consistent pistachio consumption improved cholesterol levels and offered strong anti-inflammatory benefits. And like many other nuts on this list, pistachios are a good source of fiber, which slows down the sugar absorption process. This helps stabilize blood sugar and prevents sudden spikes. Moreover, pistachios contain antioxidants, such as vitamin E and carotenoids, molecules that fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, a key factor behind insulin resistance and complications in diabetes. Enjoy pistachios on their own, scatter them over yogurt, or grind them to make a tasty topping for a variety of dishes. Number 1, peanuts. Peanuts round out our list of top nuts for diabetes, and for good reason. Packed with protein and fiber, peanuts help moderate how quickly sugar enters your bloodstream, preventing sharp glucose surges. This results in more stable blood sugar throughout the day, which can reduce diabetes-related complications over time. There's also evidence from the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health suggesting that regular peanut consumption might lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes in the first place. How? By increasing insulin sensitivity and keeping appetite in check. Peanuts' fiber and protein content keeps you feeling full longer, limiting unhealthy snacking and helping with weight management. Both crucial goals if you're trying to keep diabetes under control. Additionally, peanuts contain key vitamins and minerals such as vitamin E and magnesium, which are essential for general health and particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. Vitamin E protects cells from free radical damage, while magnesium aids in maintaining optimal blood sugar levels. You can incorporate peanuts into salads, blend them into smoothies, or snack on them in moderation. Just be sure to watch portion sizes to avoid excess calories and unintended blood sugar spikes. Despite their numerous advantages, nuts are high in calories and fats, so it's vital to keep an eye on portions. Aim for 15 to 30 grams per day, around a small handful, to enjoy the health benefits without stacking on extra calories. Weight gain can undermine your blood sugar goals, so moderation is key. Choose unsalted, unflavored nuts whenever possible. Too much salt can raise blood pressure, a concern for people with diabetes who already face higher heart risks. Similarly, sweetened or honey-roasted nuts can send your blood sugar soaring. By opting for plain, unsalted nuts, you'll preserve the purest nutritional value and get all their disease-fighting properties. For an even more balanced diet, pair nuts with leafy greens, fresh fruits, or lean protein sources. For example, try mixing a handful of walnuts into a fresh apple salad, or sprinkle sliced almonds onto steamed veggies. These small adjustments can keep your glucose levels steadier, help control hunger, and give you lasting energy. A well-rounded diet that features the right nuts can make it easier to keep diabetes in check. Each nut on this list, almonds, walnuts, cashews, pistachios, and peanuts, brings its own unique blend of nutrients, from healthy fats that protect your heart to fiber that helps stabilize blood sugar. By enjoying them in moderation and in their most natural form, you'll set yourself up for better glucose control, improved heart health, and potentially fewer diabetes complications down the line. Always consult your doctor or a certified nutritionist before making any major dietary changes, especially if you're currently on medication or have other health considerations. Everyone's nutritional needs are different, and professional guidance ensures you make the best decisions for your body. If you've got a favorite nut or a go-to way of preparing it, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to check out our upcoming videos for more tips on effectively managing diabetes.